Hi, everyone. Uh, we are the Discrepant Material Report, aka DMR, Digitalization and Cost Analysis at Jadco Manufacturing Team. My name is Jack Kramer,
I'm Megan Wassmer.
And I'm Tara Schroth.
and we'll tell you a little bit about Jadco. Jadco Manufacturing is a steel fabrication company located in Harmony, PA, and currently they are having issues reporting defects throughout their entire production process. And as an older company that has experienced recent significant growth, Jadco has unfortunately outgrown their legacy defect reporting system, and they've asked our team to help digitize their process.
So our team has worked closely with Jadco's senior management and quality assurance representatives to not only achieve this goal, but also identify root causes for recurring issues. Our approach for this project consisted of designing multiple digital form design options, performing a cost analysis on jobs that had a defect, creating a Tableau dashboard to visualize and monitor the defects, and generating recommendations based on our root cause analysis.
Based on our data analysis and root cause analysis, we recommend that Jadco focuses their efforts on reducing defects related to drawing and blueprint errors and communication failures, because these issues contribute disproportionately to the costs incurred by defects. They can reduce these defects by implementing our digital defect reporting system and communicating changes SOP, which details who needs to be notified when a specific issue occurs. If Jadco implements our recommendations, they can expect to see a reduction in costs due to defects, better visibility of defects in real time, and improved employee satisfaction. Thank you.